Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you one of my backdrop idea. First of all, put our KT ball. Look, I put 12 KT ball together. One ball missing because I do not have enough of KT ball. And then we will cut an arch out from this ball. But before that, we need to draw the arch. Then when we draw a circle for the arch, we will use this huge compass and set the diameter for our circle. It will be about 40 cm. Okay, and then draw the circle. First of all, we need to make the center here. Okay, this is the center. And then draw the Okay, look, this is the circle for our arch. Okay, and then let's cut out the arch. Okay, look, we cut out the arch. And then, look, we need to stick all the ball together. Okay, look, I stick them together. Look at this. Stick them with the tape. Look. Look at this. Okay, now in order to cover the tape, or we want to change the color, maybe we will want it to be pink, blue, or yellow color. We can adhere the wallpaper on the arch, and I will use the white color about the group to stick them together. You can use white group or other groups for the paper, but I like to cook the group by myself. I mix the wheat flour and the water and cook them like this. Look, this is the back side. And then look at this. Since the ball is soft, it's hard to stand up by itself. But no problem, we can use the stand. Look, we will use two of this stand. The detail about this stand, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I don't show you much more detail on this video, just use it. And then stick with the tape to stick them together will be okay. Look, two stand on the arch, and then just stand it up will be okay. Okay, look, this is what it looked like when I stand up the arch. And then let's make the flower arrangement on the top. Okay, take some rest of KT ball. Any ball are okay, since I will make the flower arrangement like this. So I will take this angle and then put a follow foam. Use the straight, you can use zip tie to tie them together. Okay, look, very sturdy. You can also put some hot glue to stick them together, will be okay. Okay then, let's insert the flower. Okay, completed. I will put it on the backdrop later. And now, let's make the flower arrangement, which put on the floor. Okay, here comes our arch. And remember the flower arrangement on the top. We will hang it on display. I will clip this clipboard to the arch board with the clip. I will show you the effect because I'm holding the phone. It's hard to show you the procedure. Okay, look, this is the flowers on the top. I clip them with the clip. In fact, make a hole and use the zip tie or string to tie them together will be better. Look, I also just some flowers and leaf white to make it larger. Okay then, let's put on the flower on the floor. Also, put our folding pedestal on the middle of the arch. If you are interested to much more about the detail of this folding pedestal, look. You can click here for the tutorial. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. You can put the cake on the pedestal, very sturdy. The come out will be pretty. And also, if you have some light, hang the light on the arch. That will be all okay also. Look, let's check the whole effect. From the top and from the bottom. Look, the connect with several small KT balls, so you can check this place a little bit wrinkle. But if you're using a large KT ball, that will be okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.